Hello babies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Chidimma. If you're just coming across my video for the first time, welcome. If you've been looking to have a fuller hair, this remedy, this natural remedy is something you need for your hair. Trust me, if you're using this at least once a week, for the next 3 months, you're going to see how thick and full your hair is going to look. So today, I'll be teaching you guys how to make avocado hair mask. So let's dive right into the video, and you guys should pay very good attention because getting towards the end of the video, I'm going to give you guys a very important hair care tips. If you've been looking to grow your natural hair or even your relaxed hair, trust me, this hair care tips is going to help you a whole lot. Please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. If you're a returning viewer or a returning subscriber, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. For this video, I'll be using 2 medium-sized avocados, 1 egg, my electric mixer, and a bowl. So I'll go ahead and cut my avocados into 2, remove the seed, and begin to scoop out the avocado with a spoon. Okay guys, we all know the benefits of avocado, but if you don't know, I'm just going to list it now. This avocado hair mask has a lot of protein in it. So if your hair has been damaged by heat, or your hair has been damaged by extremely tight hairstyles, or your hair has been damaged by harsh hair products, you need this avocado hair treatment because it's going to restore a lot of protein to your hair. And what protein does to hair is that it restores hair, it treats damaged hair. You get, it builds up the strength of your scalp. That way it will make room for healthier hairs to grow. If you're experiencing hair thinning, you're experiencing alopecia, you're experiencing hair breakage, this avocado hair mask is your go-to remedy. But I must warn you, you need to be careful while using this. If you have low porosity hair, then you don't need so much protein on your hair. So that's the tips I was talking about. Before using this avocado hair mask, you need to know the type of hair porosity that you have. If you have low porosity hair, that means you need more moisture in your hair rather than more protein. So with low porosity hair, I'd advise you do this at least once a month. Okay, so guys, this is me in my bathroom preparing my hair. This is actually my wash day routine. I'll drop a link to a video to the full wash day routine video. So this is me using this avocado hair mask as a pre-poo. Okay, so I'll go ahead and cover my hair for at least 30 minutes. Voila, and this is it. After 30 minutes, I wash it off and I go ahead to use my Tresemme shampoo on my hair. Massage my hair very well. Guys, do not scratch your hair with your fingertips, with your fingernails. Do not do that. It is not okay. So guys, this is the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed by now, please kindly subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. See you later. Bye.